So how do we dismantle dismay? First, we have to understand that dismay is meant to disorient. It exists to disorient you. It exists to throw you off your game. It exists to help you forget that God is in the midst of it all. That's why you can't live in dismay, because you can't live in disorientation. Because if you live in disorientation, you'll begin to believe people when they say that God is no longer in control here. Dismay is a disorientation that throws us a little bit wonky, so we forget what we learned in Sunday school or in worship or from the choir singing by the time we get to Monday morning. What did the preacher say again? Dismay exists to throw you off. It exists to tell you that sickness is going to kill you. It exists to tell you that homelessness is the end of the story. It exists to tell you that child is beyond reach. But dismay is a lie. That disorientation is a lie from hell. Send it back to where it came from. You don't hear me this morning. You're not understanding what's happening here. There is a shift going on in the atmosphere. There is a shift going on in God's economy that is to understand that our job is to stay centered, to stay flat-footed and centered in God. Because if you stay centered in God, then you don't have to worry about dismay disorienting you. It can't take you if you're centered in God.